All right, everybody. My name is Jedi Skywalker. I'm coming from far, far galaxies, light years away from Earth. So today, I'm gonna share you what happened in my galaxy. So in my galaxy, we have a lot of stars. We call it a nova or supernova. It looks something like this. So in my galaxy, totally we have three novas. But in the galaxy close to us, they have five novas. And on the third, in the third galaxy, they have seven novas. So my question to everybody is, how many stars or novas will there be in the fourth galaxy? All right, as you can see, there's a pattern there. The first one is three, second one is five, third one is seven, the fourth one is nine, because as you can see, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. This is something we learned in the last class. However, I want to do some exercise with you. Can you write down the fifth until to the 10th number of the first sequence? All right, the right answer is 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Okay, write them down. However, I want to ask you, what if we have 100 galaxies? What if I ask you, how many stars will there be in the 100th galaxy? Are you going to write down 100 numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 21 until to the 100th number? Yes, you can, but it will take you a long time to finish this. What if I can tell you there is a formula for this candle pattern? Check this out. The first galaxy has a number 3. Second galaxy has number 5. Third galaxy has number 7. Fourth galaxy has number 9. Fifth galaxy has number 11. What's the difference between this number? The difference between 3 and 5 is 2. The difference between 5 and 7 is another 2. The difference between 7 and 9 is 2. So as you noticed, each item has a difference of 2. Remember this. If you find out the difference of each number, you write them down. The first galaxy has 3. Second galaxy has 5. Third galaxy has 7. Fourth galaxy has 9. And the difference of them is 2. In order to find out the formula, first step, we find the difference between each items. The first step, step 1. The second step, step 2, we write down 2n, 2 times n. And we find out what is a 2n. When n equal to 1, 2n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, 2n equal to 4. Whenever n equal to 3, n equal to 6. Whenever n equal to 4, 2n equal to 8. Step 3. Step 2. Last step, very, very important. Find out the relationship between this column and this column. For the first column, we have 3. The second one has 2. When the first column changes to 5, the second column becomes 4. When the first column becomes 7, the second column becomes 6. So what is the relationship between them? 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 4 plus 1 equal to 5, 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 8 plus 1 equal to 9. As a result, we have a formula. The formula is 2n plus 1. That's the right answer. Take a picture of this page. Very, very important to conclude, to have an assumption of what the formula will be. Remember the steps. Step 1, find the difference of each item. Step 2, if the difference is 2, we use the 2n. If the difference is 3, we use the 3n. Then find out what's the relationship between the first column there, and the second column. Based on the difference, write down the formula. How do you know it is a 2n? Use the difference of each numbers. How do you know it's 3n? Use the difference of each numbers. Let's find out let's do an exercise like this. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Same thing, the first item is 2, the second item is 4, the third item is a 6, right? The fourth item is 8. Let's check out the difference. The difference of each item is 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. There must be something like 2n there. So we write down 2n. For the first time, when n equal to 1, 2n equal to 2. When n equal to 2, 2n equal to 4. Whenever n equal to 3, 2n equal to 6. Whenever n equal to 4, 2n equal to 8. Remember step 1, find out the difference. Step 2, write down 2n there, or 3n, whatever the difference will be. Step 3, compare this column and this column. What do we find out? They are exactly same. So the answer is simple. The formula is 2n. So we write down 2n from there to there. All right, use this step 1, step 2, step 3. So in our textbook, we got a student who want to decorate our class using the triangle shape with a balloon. So as you can see, the first balloon, how many balloons we need for the first triangle? 1 balloon, 2 balloons, 3 balloons. The first item is 3. How many balloons does he or she need for the first 2 triangles? We counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. So we write down the second item as 5. How many balloons does she need for the first 3 triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We write down 7. And it goes on and on. For the fourth item, we write down 9. For the fifth item, we write down 11. And remember, use our step 1, step 2, step 3 pattern to find out the formula there. What will be the formula? Let's repeat this procedure. I'm going to do this really, really fast. So the first item is 3, second item is 5, third item is 7, fourth item is 9. The difference is 2, 2, 2. Then we use 2n. 2n times 1 is 2, 2n times 2 is 4, 2n times 2 is 6, 2n times 4 equal to 8. Then the last time, compare these 2 items, we find out 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 4 plus 1 equal to 5, 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So the formula will be 2n plus 1. And the question it asks us is, how many balloons does she need if she want 100 triangles? The answer is we replace n whenever n equal to 100. So 2n plus 1 equal to 201. So the right answer is she needed 201 balloons in order to finish 100 triangles. Question I want to ask is, what if it is not a triangle? What if this is a square like this? The homework I'm gonna give to you is how many balloons it needs for like 50 squares. Well, you have like 5 minutes to finish this. Remember the sequence: step 1, step 2, step 3. 5 minutes later, I'm gonna ask you another challenging question. What if we use a different shape like this? It looks like a Christmas tree. It's called tessellation. Let's look at the exercise 111 number 9. So as you can see, the first one we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write down 6. The next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second item has a number 10. Use the formula, the step I showed you, and find out the pattern first. Lastly, finish this exercise. All right, let's check this out. First of all, copy and complete the first items. What name is given to the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9? Copy and complete 1 plus 3, 1 plus 3 plus 5. And it goes on and on. Find the sum. Find the formula for the sum of the first n members of the sequence. The sum of m members of this sequence 841. What is m? Right. Let's use our magical pattern. Step 1, step 3. Step 1, step 2, step 3. To see how will that work. The first atom equal to 4. Second atom is 9. Fourth atom is 16, right? The fourth atom is 25. So we write down 4, 9, 16, 25 as the first 4 items. So number 1 is 4, number 2 is 9, number 3 is 16, number 4 is 25. Notice the difference. The difference of the first one is 5, 7, and 11, right? We can easily conclude the difference between the next one is 13. So the next item will be 36. However, this thing doesn't really help us. So this is a little bit harder because we need to dig a deeper look at this number. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. In addition to the difference of each of them, what do they look like? Number 4 look like a 2 square. Number 3 look like 3 square. Number 4 look like a 4 square. Number 3, which is 16, looks like a 4 square. Number 4, which is a 25, look like 5 square. Now, we compare these numbers to look at the step 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Here. 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4, 4 plus 1 equal to 5. As a result, the formula is n plus 1. However, don't forget the square there, like parenthesis square. This is a formula. It's a little bit different because you have to identify 4 is a 2 square, 9 is a 3 square, 16 is 4 square. Then use the step 3 to find out the real formula. All right, take a picture of this screenshot, very important. So what did you learn from today's class? I'm gonna assign some of the homework to you, also together with investigation problem in this page. Also pick up any of the 10 questions in the exercise section and find out the formula. Email me all your homeworks. This is all about today's class, about the formula, sequence, and how to find out the formula. Remember step 1, step 2, step 3. Step 1, find out the difference. Step 2, Use the difference to find out the either is a 2n, 3n, or n squared. Last one is compare with the 2n or n squared with the number. Then find out the real formula. Thank you for coming to my class. Don't forget to do your homework email to me. May force be with you. I'm gonna wait for you in the far, far galaxy for your homework.